Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add filters into your video in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere Pro, and one method that you can do to add a filter into your video is go into effects and go into Lumetri presets, and you would have your filters right here with the categories. We have your film stock, cinematic, monochrome, and whatsoever. But what I recommend for you to do is go here, click on this button and your workspace button and go into color. And then from here, go select your footage right here and go here into the creative right here, and you can go for the look right here, and you can go and see a lot of filters right here. So this is a more easier way of doing this. So you can go for SL big, and then you can see it right here. And if you want to undo it, then you can just uncheck this right there, or you can just go for none right there. And then you can also just browse right here on which filter you would want. So maybe I want this one, I like the color of this, and yeah, you can just browse here, and then you can just choose your filter right here. And that is basically how you do it. All you have to do is click if you want this one, then click on it. Then that's how simple it is. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.